Well, good morning there, y'all. We're headed to the gym right now. First time I worked out in 3 days, so we're excited about this, or I'm excited about this anyways. We're gonna do biceps, triceps, and shoulders. Here we go. Alright, y'all, solid workout in the books. We killed it. I'm sweating like crazy. I tell you, it's like therapy going to the gym, especially after 3 days of not going to the gym. It's like meditation for me, y'all. Love it. What's going on, y'all? You may think I'm shirtless because I just look good without a shirt, and you'd be right, but that's not why. I got 2 shirts in the mail today. One is from Jen Spencer. Thank you so much. Check this out. Look at that. Body by Butter. I love it. Thank you so very much. Very, very cool. The other one is, and I may be a little biased, but this one's really cool too, y'all. Boom, check that out. Little Keto Savage swag in the building. I'll go ahead and put this on real quick while I show you something else I got in the mail. Alright, make it official. I got one for Crystal too. Whew, the fit is true. This is really cool. This one's moisture wicking, so I'm really excited about that one. Alright, Crowd Cow. I was showing y'all in my, I wrote about it in my last newsletter. There's a company called Crowd Cow. It's kind of like US Bonus Meats and Butcher Box. It's like a meat provider. but they're doing things a little bit different. They're like going to little bitty, you know, local farms all over the country, and then like shaking the farmer's hand, meeting with them, and then helping them ship out their products. So I got an order from Crowd Cow. I talked to the owner the other day. I'm going to have him on my podcast, but I wanted to order some of his product first so that I can vouch for the quality before I had him on the podcast. So, what did I get? They were sold out of ribeyes. But this just came in the mail. Comes in a dry ice package. I got some chuck eye steak. I got like 3 of these, I think. I got some ground beef, and all these, this is cool because they're all from different ranches. This one's from Novi Ranch, and basically like all over the country, all different times of the year, these small ranches will have like, you know, a slaughtering. They'll provide the beef, and then you just pick what kind of cuts you want. So pretty cool there. I'm leaking blood right now though, so I need to get this in the freezer. But I'm super excited to try this because it looks delicious. So yeah, buddy. Boom, y'all, I just cooked me up one of those steaks. I've got some sauerkraut there, and then I'm about to dig into this chuck eye and see how it tastes. So freaking good, y'all. I'm getting more meat from Crowd Cow. It's funny how the flavor. One thing that I liked about the conversation I had with the owner was that they view meat like they do, like people view craft beers. Like each location, each strain, each, you know, surrounding has an impact on the flavor, and each meat has like a unique aspect to it. So I really like that. So I'm gonna dig in, I'm gonna enjoy my steak. I'll catch y'all in a little bit. Boom, check it out, y'all. Just got a box of bands in. 1,000 bands, actually 1,100 Keto Savage wristbands in here. Every order of Keto Brick is gonna come complete with one of these beauties. Real quick, y'all, I wanna show you how hardcore Crystal is. We didn't label all of the packages in the kitchen. We got them all heat sealed, but we didn't label them all because we were missing some labels. So we're labeling them here at the house, and this is what she's doing. So she's got her little setup over here, the labeled bricks, the unlabeled bricks, and she just turned it off because she was embarrassed.
I wasn't embarrassed.
But she's been watching Gilmore Girls.
Taking me back to the good old days.
What a goofball.
What else am I supposed to do?
What's going on, y'all? We just got done making client calls. I've had client calls back to back to back to back today. I had that meal earlier of the chuck eye steak and the 4 tablespoons of butter, and had some kimchi with that meal, which put my basically all I have left for today's macros are 22 grams of protein, 90 grams of fat. That chuck eye wasn't very big, so I'm pretty hungry right now. Like, that wasn't a whole lot of volume, so we're gonna go to the store. I'm gonna try and find something that gives me some more volume, fills me up, because I'm just now starting to tap into, like, I'm at 2,100 calories right now in my macros. So that's like just starting to be the tipping point of where I start getting hungry. And I've noticed I've leaned out a lot this past week, so I'm kind of getting into the hungrier stage right now. So let's go find something to eat. Alright, so it's probably not a surprise to you that we're going to Whole Foods for yogurt, getting the almond yogurt, but we're gonna mix it up a little bit. I'm craving just a lot of volume. I want to see how much volume I can get away with here, and I want some Miracle Rice, and I want some mac and cheese. Let's see what I can come up with. Crystal's getting an onion. What are you making?
Casserole.
Casserole? Tonight?
Yeah.
I'm excited. For you?
Yeah, but it's for the rest of the week.
Ah. Crystal just found gold. What we got here?
Yes, this is Russian-style farmer's cheese, live probiotic cultures. And here are the macros for you. For 2 tablespoons, it is 6 grams of fat, 2 grams of protein and 1 gram of carbs.
Boom. Didn't even realize this, but Primal Kitchen now has an egg-free mayo. It's kind of cool. We get it all, babe?
We got it all.
Lots of yogurts.
5
eggs.
yogurts.
What else we get? Eggs.
Heavy cream, some spinach, and some of that cheese stuff, and the onion, and some hot dogs.
Alright, y'all, this is the basis of the meal. Sleeve of Miracle Rice, salt, obviously, the Anthony's cheddar cheese powder, some Kerrygold butter, and the Kite Hill yogurts. Basically gonna mix all this up and see what we come up with. I'm gonna cook the rice up in the same skillet that I used for the steak earlier today to soak up the flavor. Alright, I feel like we're in a Keto Savage Kitchen or something. Flashback. Anyways, I've got my Miracle Rice here. I'm only eating about half of it since that was a big sleeve. I'm going to put my entire thing of yogurt in there. Ooh, look at that. As well as my cheese powder. And 3 tablespoons of butter. Now doesn't that look good? Time to mix it up. Oh yeah, look at that, y'all. That looks like a big old bowl of Gobbledy Goop. That's gonna be the official term for this recipe. The Keto Gobbledy Goop. Alright, y'all, so this is a massive bowl of food, and I haven't even tasted it yet. Let me taste it real quick. Hold by here. What do you think? Good or bad? Good or bad? I don't know how I would describe that. We're gonna take a bite. Crystal's gonna be our taste tester here.
You guys should have seen my face when he was mixing this. I was like so disgusted. Okay, I made that big a bite.
Not too bad, huh?
Tastes like hot yogurt.
No, I think it's like a soup almost.
It is like a creamy soup.
Yeah, like, I feel like if you put stuff in there, it'd be like a cream of potato almost. Without a potato, obviously. But, the main point I'm getting at is this meal right here is huge. Like, I'm gonna eat this, gonna be totally full. And the macros are 22 grams of protein, 7 grams of total carbs, and 76 grams of fat, 802 calories. So this is pretty much my largest meal today. I'm gonna be totally satiated, and it's gonna be good. So I'm gonna dig into this massive bowl of Gobbledy Goop. We're gonna catch y'all tomorrow. Tomorrow I've got a few people, father and son, hit me up on email, and they're traveling through the area and they wanted to train with me. So we're gonna wake up, we're gonna go train chest at Ozark Iron. So I'm excited to meet them, and we'll see if this Gobbledy Goop fuels the workout. So catch y'all tomorrow.